DohBoy and his sons. One already left. They'll be 8 weeks Sunday. One just left. Should have did a video with all of them, but here go DohBoy with his offspring. One will be leaving tonight or tomorrow. Then the other one will be available. So if you've been trying to get a DohBoy puppy, don't miss out. First come, first serve. Or if you put a deposit down, I'll hold it for you, because I know it ain't easy to try to come up with some money unexpectedly for something. But one of these puppies will be available after tonight or tomorrow morning. Got a guy coming down from Chicago to pick one up. DohBoy puppies. Still got Bailey here, waiting for her to do something. Got big plans for her. And we will be running Rihanna back to DohBoy, but that's Bailey right there. DohBoy. Hey, chill out. There go Rihanna. Be running her back to DohBoy. I made some good puppies, and I didn't get to keep none, so make sure I keep me one out of this litter. Probably a female. That's Rihanna. She's gonna be bred back to DohBoy when she come back in heat. Riri. DohBoy, where your sons at? DohBoy, get over here. Come here. Come here. Come here, boys. Get out here with Dad. One of these puppies will be available. Not sure which one yet, but one of them will be available. And once I know, I'll post another video with just that puppy. Probably be tomorrow. But I'm gonna post this video tonight. Come here, get over here. Come here, pup. DohBoy and his son. DohBoy, move your butt. Ain't nobody trying to. Come here, pups. Come here, boys. Come here, boys. What's up? Little DohBoys. Hey, stop. Go somewhere else and pee. Get out of my face. DohBoy sons. Can't wait till this female finally have us some puppies. She's nice and well built. Bailey, you gotta do something. Last time we tried with her, we had trouble, but hopefully her next heat, we can get her bred, have us some beautiful, nice, healthy puppies. Hey, go in the house. Go. Go. Get in the house. Go. Go, Mocha. Get. Get. Get out here. Get in there. Go. Bye. Pups. Come here, pup. Watch out, DohBoy. Come here, boy. Come on. Come here, boy. No, not you. Get off of me, man. Come here. Stop doing that. Come on. Move, DohBoy. Get out my face. Back up. Come on. Come on, son. One of these meals gonna be available tomorrow. I'm gonna upload this video tonight. I ain't sure which one. Got somebody coming from Chicago picking up one. DohBoy puppies. Come here. Come here, I just went and got your brother from over there. Get out of my face. Stop playing. Stop. Get out of my face. Stop. Hey. Stop playing with me. This big boy love to play. Thought he had an advantage over me because I was on the ground. What's up, boy? Come here, red boy. Come here. DohBoy. Sit down. Sit. Come here. Sit down. Stay there. Man, he bothering. You don't want to sit down? Come here. Hey. Stop, boy. It's your daddy, not your mama. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Stop. Come here. Oh boy, not you. All right, I'm about to end this video and get ready to post it for y'all. Get at me if y'all want one of these puppies. Not sure which one yet, but one will be available. One of these puppies will be available. DohBoy puppies. And DohBoy did score top male in Ohio this year for SABs. Top male in Ohio for SABs this year. Scored an 89 with SABs, and he scored a 91.5 with NABA. And they mama has scored a, I think she scored a 85 with NABA. So they will be NABA puppies. DohBoy. Oh, y'all daddy. Come here. Come on, boy. Come here. Look at you. Y'all gonna make it hard for somebody to pick. Two nice males off of DohBoy. That's a hard pick. I wouldn't even know which one to pick. but one will be for sale. I'll let y'all know which one tomorrow. Let y'all know which one will be ready tomorrow. They are 8 weeks, had their first set of shots, been microchipped